Three small concealed carry revolvers. We got the Smith & Wesson Airweight, we got the Taurus 856, and we got the Ruger LCP. Now, I do carry this Smith & Wesson a lot because I like how light it is. And the Ruger has the best trigger out of the three of them. But I actually shoot the Taurus 856 better than I do these other two. So I do carry this gun a lot. I wanted to upgrade the grips on this gun. So let's move these two out of the way. So what I ordered is a Pachmayr Renegade grip. This is in the rosewood and it's number 63090. And this is for the Taurus. And the reviews that I've seen on it says that it fits the 856 perfect. So let's put it on here and see how it looks. Check to make sure your gun's clear, no ammunition in the area. First thing we're going to do is remove the screw from the bottom here. Now I've already changed the factory grips off this gun. First thing we need to do is there's a roll pin in here. We're going to punch this roll pin out. So let's just start it here. So it's coming out, so let's center it up on the hole here. And let's continue to hammer it out. And here's the roll pin that holds the grip on. Let's pull that off. And I do like these rubber grips that are on here, but we just pull backwards here. There's a little channel that it rides in there, and we just need it to slide right off. There's a little pin that was in there. You guys didn't see that, but there's a little pin right in here. We want to pull that pin out. It'll just drop out from the bottom, and then you can slide this right off the firearm. Let's get our new grip out. It's a beautiful hardwood grip, isn't it? Let's get it installed. And remember, when you're working on your guns and your grips, make sure your flathead actually fits the screw properly so you don't damage the piece that you're working on. You don't want to scratch it up or dig into it. Here's our pin in here that we're going to need. Instructions for you. The pin's already fallen out. Let's check the fit on these real quick. Oh, that looks like it fits in there really, really nice. Okay, the pin they send you is ribbed in the middle here, so it's a little bit larger. So when you actually place it in, it won't go all the way through. So we'll need a block, and we'll just set it up here. Let's get it up here, and we're gonna hammer it in. There we are. Try to get equal spacing on each side of the pistol grip. The pin should go right into the hole here. Fits right in there very nice. Let's drop the other side on. Let's take our screw they gave us, drop it back in. Nice and easy start that screw, okay? Don't force your screw if it doesn't start to go. You do not want to cross thread this screw. So we're just going to ease it down, and nice and easy, let's tighten this thing up. Let's check it. Make sure it's going together properly. We got a good fit. Well, let's torque it down a little bit more. There we go. So this is your wood Pachmayr grip on Taurus 856, and this is the ultralight. Let me let you get a good look at this grip on here. Let's rotate it around so that you can see the fit and the finish on it. And it looks like it is a perfect fit for this gun. Nice tight fit to the frame all the way around. Nice color also. I think it's a beautiful grip. It's a great addition to the gun, makes the gun look great, and I think it's going to improve the carry aspect of it because of the slick wood and your shirts not getting hung or stuck on it. I like the way it feels in my hand. I can still get my pinky on the grip when I do grab onto it. Be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.